Introducing the pinnacle of pump technology, the dynamic sealing pump, brought to you by Sintech Pumps, India's largest supplier. Engineered for excellence, these pumps embody innovation with a hydrodynamic sealing arrangement. Adhering to the highest industrial norms, our dynamic sealing pumps are renowned domestically and internationally. Discover the economical way to reduce maintenance costs and achieve leak-proof operations, especially for juice applications. Easily upgrade your existing pumps to our dynamic sealing arrangement for unparalleled efficiency. With capacities up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour and heads up to 140 meters, these pumps are designed to operate under extreme conditions. Featuring a back pull-out design, hydraulically balanced impellers, and heavy-duty construction for a lifespan exceeding 20,000 hours. Ideal for juice recirculation, falling film evaporators, and syrup applications, our pumps cater to a wide range of industry needs. Step into the future of pumping with Sintech's dynamic sealing pumps, where technology meets reliability. Ready to transform your operations? Contact Sintech Pumps today and explore the world of dynamic sealing.